Realme GT 5 Pro price in Pakistan. Realme GT 5 Pro price in Pakistan is expected to be Rs. $204,999. Realme GT 5 Pro expected to be launched on November 16, 2023. This is 0GB RAM, 0GB internal storage variant of Realme, which is available in black, silver, orange colors. Expected price of Realme GT 5 Pro in Pakistan is Rs. $204,999. Expected price of Realme in USD is $925. Realme GT 5 Pro, the flagship GT smartphone. Realme has announced the new GT 5 Pro smartphone that will be released in the very near future by the brand. Following the recent rumors about the latest Realme's GT 5 Pro, it is suggested that it will hit the markets in the first quarter of 2024, but for now, we have a lot to discuss about the all-new Realme GT 5 Pro. First of all, the giant CSMR module at the back looks quite impressive, and it seems that it will be a great option for photography lovers. The camera system of the Realme GT 5 Pro consists of 50 megapixels plus 50 megapixels plus 8 megapixel sensors with a dual LED flashlight. For the front, there might be a 32 megapixel selfie shooter. The newly introduced Realme GT 5 Pro's most powerful and well-known Qualcomm SM8650AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4 nanometers chipset also comes with an octa-core, 1x3.3 GHz Cortex-X4 plus 5x3.2 GHz Cortex-A720 plus 2x2.3 GHz Cortex-A520 CPU, which means that this Realme GT 5 Pro will deliver insanely fast performance. Beside them, you will have a massive 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal memory. Now moving on to the major improvement, which is the display of Realme's GT 5 Pro, which comes with a giant 6.78-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display that is able to support the jaw-dropping resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels with 144Hz and HDR10+. GT 5 Pro's 5260 mAh battery pack in order to spend the entire day on just a single charge. Compared to most smartphones, the Realme GT 5 Pro has a larger battery capacity. Furthermore, it uses the latest charging technology, making it eco-friendly and efficient. As a result of its features, the Realme GT 5 Pro is sure to become a popular smartphone choice. So diving deep into the current situation of the smartphone industry, we can say that the new GT 5 Pro by Realme will put Samsung and other brands in tough competition due to its launch in the very near future.